Hey friends, math time again today. Before we get started with our lesson, we're going to practice counting and doing an activity. So this time we're going to hit our thighs or hit your legs or hit the desk or the table. And we're going to do it until we get to the number 9. So every time you hit the table, I'm hitting my leg, you're going to count. You're going to say a number, okay? Here we go to 9. When we get to 9, we're going to stop at that number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's right. You got to stop. I'm going to move my computer down a little bit, my monitor down so you can see the motion of my hands. Now we're going to do it again, but this time we're going to stop at the number 10. Ready? All right. Count loud with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome job. Now let's get into our lesson. All righty, friends. Lesson 17. For today's lesson, we are going to practice counting objects in a circle. We are familiar with counting objects in the circle. We've done this before, and we're going to do it for a bigger number. So your I can statement today is, I can count 8 objects in a circle. Let's get started. So to warm up, we're going to do counting. We're going to make a line of beans, okay? Every time you see a bean, I want you to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many red beans do you see? That's right, 5. Remember, the last number you say tells you how many. I also have some white beans. So let's count and see how many white beans I have. 1, 2, 3. How many white beans do I have? That's right, 3. The last number you say tells you how many. And I wonder if we can put them in one line and see how many we have then. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 red beans and 3 white beans make the number 8. So 5 and 3 are partners because together they make the number 8. Now let's look for the number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is the number 8. You remember? Let's trace it. Make an S. Don't be late. Hurry up and close the gate or shut the gate. So that is the number 8. This is the number 8. Now let's look at our old poem. This is a poem, our number poem, and this is with the flower and the bees, okay? I'll point to each object as I say the poem. 1 little flower, 2 little bees, 3 little bluebirds in a tree. Nice warm sun shines down on me. I can count 1, 2, 3. 4 little kittens come out to play on this warm and sunny day. 5 little ducks take a dive. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 little squirrels, quick as can be, climbing up the old oak tree. In its shade sit 7 chairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bears. 8 little apples up in the tree. Some for you and some for me. Here we are. We have 8 apples. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 apples. Now we counted the apples in a line. All right, friends, we're going to practice counting in a circle. I have some apples here, so let's see how many apples we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh no, I remember this problem. When you count things in a circle, you have to have what? A marker. That's great. You're correct. Let's get a marker, something to mark the spot where we start counting so we know when to stop counting. All right. Say, I can count things in a circle. All right, let's start here with the doll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many apples are in a circle? You're correct. 8. Remember, it's always the last number you say. 8 was the last number we said. Let's go over here to find the number 8. 6, 7, 8. Make an S. Don't be late. Hurry up and shut the gate. Excellent job. Let's try one more activity, friends. Here is a ring of blossoms for a tea party. Let's see how many flowers are on the blossom ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We need a marker. I almost forgot. Let's get a marker so we know where to stop. We're going to start counting where the marker is, and then we're going to stop just before the marker. You ready, friends? Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is the last number we said. So 8, there are 8 flowers on this ring. And I used a marker to show me where I started counting so I know when to stop counting. Now let's go over here and find the number 8. Oh, you remember. The 8 looks like almost like 2 circles that have been put together, right? To make an 8 or to write the number 8, make an S. Don't be late. Hurry up and close the gate. There you go. That is the number 8. Well, this is the end of our lesson today, friends. I hope you had fun counting things in a circle and doing our number poem and talking about the number 8. Happy learning, friends. I hope you practice counting some things in a circle. Remember to always use a marker to show you where to start and stop counting. Bye, friends.